Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start now, put the Chrysler 300 in park, and turn the key to accessory or run so the radio has power. Make sure doors are closed and nothing else is cycling power. Locate the physical volume knob and the tuning/seek knob on the Uconnect bezel. This is not a menu reset yet. These two knobs are the primary controls we will use to force a full touchscreen reboot. Keep your hands ready and do not turn off the ignition. Once done, press and hold both the volume and the tuner/seek knobs at the same time. Keep holding continuously for roughly 10 to 20 seconds. Don't let go at the first blink. The screen will go black and then show the Uconnect or Chrysler logo as the system reboots. Make sure you release both knobs only when you see the logo, and then allow the system to complete its full startup without touching any controls. This forces the only reliable hard reboot for this system. After the boot finishes, test radio, Bluetooth, and navigation to confirm the screen reset fixed the issue. If the unit remains frozen or behaves intermittently, make sure the battery voltage is healthy and check the interior fuses for the infotainment system. If nothing else works, as a last resort, disconnect the negative battery terminal for about 10 minutes to force a full power cycle. Reconnect and repeat the knob reboot. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.